Hey folks, this is Abe, developer of Heresy Tools. Wanted to give you guys some updates on what we'll be releasing today. So we have 3 major updates, 2 minor updates, and something about future implementation we're going to share at the end. So for the front page, we've added our first minor update, which is a facelift. We've added a way to restart the tutorial, a quicker way to get to creating characters if you're new to the site, and more on this later. The other thing is that we've added live combat stats. If you don't want to opt in, just reject cookies and you're good to go. Let's get into our next minor update, which is data migration. You don't have to recreate everything from scratch. Just click Attempt Data Sanctification and you're good to go. Give it a second to reload and then we should be set there. Next is our major features. Let's go to Template Creator. This is how GMs are going to be able to create characters rapidly without having to go back and forth. Instead of you having to create each entity by hand, just click on Create New Template, give them a name, description, and then let's call this one an NPC class. You can add weapons to them, protection. We'll give this guy some heavy leathers. Equip that on him, give him a las gun. There we go. Awesome. Cool. Let's create him. As you can see, he's labeled as an NPC. If we want to add him, it's as simple as going here, clicking on New Template. He's set. You can change the name to whatever you want, and then you're good to go. Next major feature that we wanted to go over was the new documentation system. So a lot of people quite fairly have said, how the heck does this app work? And I would say, here's a response on Reddit. And not everybody loves that. So here's an independent way that you can learn more about the application. A fun one that I don't think a lot of users are aware of is with the initiative tracker. You do have the roll initiative button, which does change the initiative as you can see. But did you know that you can manually change it? That's right. We also have a reference area here to make your life a little bit easier, so you can just kind of go around, we'll highlight things so you know what we're actually pointing to and talking about, and it's just an easy way for you to learn more about the app so you're not struggling trying to figure out where you actually are. Let's go into our final major update, which revolves around cybernetics. So we've added all of the bionic equipment, bionic heart, bionic legs. They add and remove talents as needed. The real meat and bones of this is the new MIU weapon interface and the baleful eye. They behave roughly the same, but you can have both at the same time. So if you link a weapon, seems like I don't have any weapons. Let's add one really quick. Let's see, flame. That looks good, yeah. Link a weapon, plasma gun. Looks good to me. Link up a plasma gun, and this is where the fun happens. You can still have a weapon in each hand, but now you've got a way to equip it right here. So you should be set. That's all you got to do. You obviously can't equip melee weapons there, but it's just a way to use this. It should be a free action inside the initiative tracker. I demonstrate that, but I don't want us to go over time. The last thing is an announcement. Once this update is pushed and live, which will be once you're watching this video, we're going to begin work on psychic powers. That is going to be a sizable update. I have been dreading it because I have a lot to do if we go down that route. It is still something that I would like to embark on. I appreciate all the support that the community's been giving me. If you'd like to follow me, just go ahead right on Discord, support us on Patreon. We don't really need the money, but it does help keep me accountable, and we do try to listen to our patrons. And yes, I know if you're watching this, we are going to get around to first edition. Just got to wait till after Psychic Powers. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day.